In today's video, I am going to show you a 15 minutes quick yoga practice to start your day. So in today's video, you are going to learn simple, gentle exercises to improve your joint flexibility. So first, we start with neck movement. This simple neck movement helps you to improve the flexibility of your neck joint by moving your neck up and down, up and down. You can do this simple exercise for 7 times or 10 times without any jerk. No fast practice is required. Just gently move your neck. After doing up and down movement, you simply move your neck right right and left with normal breathing. After the neck exercise, let's move to the next exercise of neck rotation. This practice is highly beneficial to improve the mobility of your neck joint. It improves the blood circulation around your neck. It is also highly beneficial for the people who are facing some neck stiffness, shoulder stiffness problem. But if you have cervical pain, please avoid the neck rotation practice. After the neck movement practices, let's work on the shoulder mobility. For the shoulder exercises, what you simply do is loosen your shoulder and then rotate your shoulders 360-degree with normal breathing. Like this exercise, you are going to do for 10 to 15 times clockwise, and once you are done with 360-degree rotation of your shoulders, you can repeat the practice anti-clockwise as well, like this. Simple shoulder rotation without any jerk, without any fast practice, just simply rotate them 360-degree. After the shoulder loosening, let's also move the waist right and left 10 to 15 times. Just gently push your waist right and left with normal breathing. Once you are done right and left movement, now push forward and back like this without bending the knee. Just keep the knee stable and focus on your lower back. Focus on your hips. So gently push the hips forward and push the hips back with normal breathing. We are done with the waist movement, right and left and forward and back. Now the clockwise rotation of your waist. This is highly beneficial for your abdominal muscles, all internal organs also. So 5 to 10 times clockwise and then anti-clockwise also. So you keep your body relaxed and then do this all movement 360-degree. You will enjoy. So wonderful. After doing all these practices, let's give a nice stretch to your body with Tadasana stretch. It helps to stretch your whole body and release tension on your neck, shoulder, waist, or your ankles. So do this practice 5 to 7 times and you are done. Once you stretch yourself up, loosen your legs. Slowly, gently loosen your knee joints, ankle joints, and then legs apart, push your hip back and change other side also. Center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left. And you keep doing this practice right and right and left. So you repeat this practice 10 to 15 times, both side, right and left. This is highly beneficial to improve the strength of your ankle joints, knee joints, as well as your thigh for complete lower part of the body. And you keep your body, your belly engaged, pull the navel region in and push your hip back. You will definitely enjoy this practice because this is also going to improve the blood circulation to your lower body. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. After this practice, you're going to take some rest. Okay, after all these practices, you are definitely feeling that improved blood circulation. Next practice is lifting the heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down. This practice is going to improve the strength and flexibility of your ankle joints. Again, loosen your legs slowly, 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 like this. Just loosen them, loosen them, loosen them, loosen them, loosen. After all these gentle practices, we are going to breathe for some time. Observe your normal natural breathing. Let your heart relax. Connect with your normal natural breathing before we move to the next practice. Now the next practice we are going to march like a soldier. So you have to lift your thighs as much as you can. Keep your body erect. Feel the thigh touching to your belly and move your both your hands like a soldier march. So keep marching. This is a very, very good practice to improve the blood circulation and improve the health of your legs. Also, you get nice massage to the belly. And you can do this practice if you have any kind of joint pain, knee pain. After marching, breathe, take some rest, let your heart relax, breathe, breathe, breathe. After the marching, you just raise your hands up like this, alternate. And this is also a variation of the previous practice. Move your hands up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is also going to improve the blood circulation to your shoulders and good for your heart and lungs as well. So do both these practices for 1 minute each and you are going to enjoy all these practices. This is also highly beneficial to burn some calories and once you are done with this practice, breathe, breathe, breathe. You are definitely going to feel your heartbeat. Now let's tap the palm, heel to the palm at the back of your body, backward jogging like this. And then move your hands also forward. This is engine dor for beginners. So you just move your hands forward, breathe through your nose. So this practice is engine dor, highly beneficial to keep your heart healthy, to keep your lungs healthy, to improve the blood circulation quickly. You can also do this practice little fast or you can do little slow as per your convenience. I'm sure your heartbeat is fast now. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth slowly. After all these practices, let's move to the next practice. And this practice is highly beneficial for the pupil who wants slow exercises to start their day. without jumping, without jerking, like this. So gently jog towards right, jog towards left, and tap your toe. Right toe, left palm, left toe, right palm, like this. So you do this practice both side. So this is going to help you to burn a lot of calories. Staying at your yoga mat, you need not to go out, and this simple exercises you can do easily at your home without any equipment, and these are beginner friendly practices. These simple exercises are highly beneficial. So do this practice for 1 or 2 minutes both side, and once you are done, take some rest whenever you want. If you are not able to do for 1 or 2 minutes, do for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute, and take enough rest in between your practice. I'm sure you all are enjoying these practices. I am enjoying these practices a lot. Now, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This is Mukha Dhauti. Helps you to calm down and relax fast. Highly beneficial for your lungs. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Walk around, and once you are done with, let's move to the next practice, and this is simple variation of jumping jack. So this jumping jack is highly beneficial for your whole body. I'm sure you are enjoying it. This practice has no jumping, no fast movement. If you have any kind of pain in your joints, knee pain especially, if your blood pressure is high, this is a safe practice to improve the blood circulation and to burn a lot of calories. So, with all energy, whatever energy you have, just move your hands up and down, move your legs right and left, and enjoy your practice. Breathe through your nose, keep your mouth closed, and keep moving your body right and left. If you want to do practice little slow, you can do that also. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. After the jumping jack and engine dod, I'm sure you are ready for the next practice, and next practice is little fast variation of the jumping jack. So if you are not able to do this variation of jumping jack, you can do the beginner level jumping jack. So always remember, practice as per your strength, as per your flexibility. Slowly and gradually, you are going to progress in your practice. So start slow, and with consistency, you are going to improve your strength and flexibility both. After all these practices, it is highly recommended. After all these practices, you need to take enough rest. So, drop your head down, knees apart, sit on your heels in Shashankasan, and breathe. And breathe. Breathe well. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Take good care of yourself. Namaste.